Hey, yo, what's the deal, man? It's your boy Bugatti, a celebrity host, man. And I'm about to check in with y'all to do this unboxing. I got a care package for my man, QJAC Apparel, man, straight out of the trade for. Man, my man always blesses me with the care pack. If you're not sure exactly what QJAC Apparel is, it's the jacket that I had on in our photo shoot. What? So y'all see that fly jacket that I got on with the city of Charlotte standing behind me? Yeah, that's QJAC Apparel. Now here's some young man in the jacket. Oh yeah, that's me. So I'm about to open up this box and see what my man sent me on the fly. I already know it's some good shit. So again, shout out my man QJAC at QJAC Apparel. Uh-oh. We got the crispy white beanie, Scully toboggan, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna put that up for the winter time. Ooh. I like this. I'm loving this colorway. Yo, this is fire. Fire. Shout out to you, Jack Apparel. Once again, man. Always coming through on the clutch. I'm saying with the hats was in general, but the hats especially. My man even got his own tissue paper. See Jack Apparel on his tissue paper, man. Hey, y'all brands, y'all better step it up for my boy is on point. And don't forget to check out some of the other celebs that have been rocking that Hugh Jackson apparel. Shout out my man Bubba Dog, Famous Amos, Darren Brand, B. Dot, and just to name a few. And you can't forget the celebrity host. But yeah, y'all tap in, man. The link is in my bio on my link tree. QJAC Apparel. Go get you some.